Hello everyone. Welcome back to Artificial Professor. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to download songs on Spotify. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open the Spotify app on your device and tap on the library in the bottom right corner. After opening the library, you should see the option Playlist in the upper left corner. Tap on it to open your playlist. After moving to the playlist, you should see an arrow option. Tap on it to start downloading the songs. Note that, if you want to download songs from Spotify, you must have the premium package of Spotify. After buying the premium package, you can repeat these steps to download songs anytime. That's it for today's tutorial, and if you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.